Hey everyone, welcome back to your lesson where we work on your fluency and how you sound when you talk to other speakers in English. Now, today we're going to work on lesson number 3, which is going to be about asking simple questions. So let's get started with our very first sentence, which is, what is your name? What is your name? We have 4 words here, but we're going to shrink this because that is our goal, to blend this. What is your name? It's so ugly, right? So how can we do this? The first thing we're going to do is put what and is together. What's. Cool. What is becomes what's. Now it's what's your name? How can we make it even better? We can blend what's and your. What's your name? What's your name? See how we carried that sound in our nose to connect to name? But go back to what's your. We use the S to blend into your. So what's your? Your. You hear it? What's your? What's your? Now, we're going to connect what's your, and name. Your name. Hear the vibration in my nose? It's key. We've learned this in 2 lessons now. This vibration makes a huge difference in how we connect these sounds. Your name. See that? Your. It's almost like yorn. Your name. Don't stop the sound. So, our sentence is, what's your name? What's your name? Cool. Now we can add some tone because it's a question. Remember, we don't want it to be flat. What's your name? It sounds like a robot. What's your name? Name. Our tone goes up at the end to show that it's a question. What's your name? What's your name? So repeat after me. What's your name? What's your name? We'll speed it up. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Cool. Let's move on to our second sentence. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Boom, boom, boom. Doesn't sound smooth. So how can we reduce this to make it smooth out? We can start with are you. Are you? Are you? Are you? Where are you? Where are you from? Where are you? Are you from? This makes it way more natural, right? Where are. Ooh, we can connect it right there. Where, are. This is really close for sounds, right? Where are ya? Where are ya? Ooh, we've got a wave. Where are ya from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Cool, right? But we have to make it into a question, so our tone goes up. Where are you from? From. Sound friendly. Sound friendly. Where are you from? Where are you from? Yeah, where are you from? Perfect. Let's move on to our third sentence, which is, how old are you? How old are you? Now, can we reduce this? Yes. Well, we already know are you can become are ya, are ya. So, how old? Can we blend that? How old? Look at my mouth shape. How old? Oh, it's the same shape. If it's the same shape, you can usually put it together. How old? How old? How old? Old. How old? Look at that. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Repeat after me. How old are you? How old are you? Good. How old are you? Let's speed it up. How old are you? Tone up, right? How old are you? Bingo. How old are you? Our fourth sentence is, what do you do? Like we're asking them about their job or something. What do you do? What do you do? Hmm. So how do we blend this? What do? What do? Well, we could do that, or we can make it kind of like a slang sound. What do ya? What the ya? What do? What the? What the ya? You, ya. What do ya do? What do ya do? It's like a whole new word, right? What do you do? Hmm. What do you do? Can you repeat after me? What do you do? Because remember that tone up is important. What do you do? What do you do? Faster. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Hey, nice to meet you. What do you do? What do you do? Awesome. I teach. And now let's go to our fifth sentence, which is, do you like music? Just a simple question. Do you like pizza? You could do this with any pattern you want, any noun, anything you want. So, but let's use music. Do you like music? You got to tone up though. So, music, music. Now, how can we blend this? Well, do ya, do ya, do you, do ya, do you, do you like? See, when we make you into a ya, that vowel sound, we can blend with other consonants pretty easy, right? Do ya, la, ya, ya, la, la, la. See? Do you like? Do you like music? Do you like pizza? Do you like cars? Right? We're adding that question tone. Cars? Pizza? Music? Do you like ice cream? Mm. Do you like? Repeat after me. Do you like? Do you like? Do you like pizza? Do you like music? Do you like badminton? I don't really like that. I like tennis better, but do you like tennis? I like tennis. Do you like tennis? Do you like? Do you like? Cool. And now let's go on to our sixth sentence, which is, can you speak? hmm, Can you speak English? Can you speak English? How do we blend this? Well, we can say, can you, and blend it with our nose with that N sound. Can you, okay? Or we can make it more like a slang. Can ya? You can become ya if you want. Can ya? Now, can you what? Can you speak? Can you speak? Cool. Can you speak? Or can you speak? Can you speak? Either one is good. So let's repeat after me. Can you speak? Can you speak? Can you speak? And the second way, can you speak? Can you speak? Now, if you think about it, ya would be more informal, and you would be more formal. That's okay. So, can you speak English? English. Well, we need to uptone that, right? Can you speak English? Yeah. Can you speak English? Can you speak Spanish? Can you speak Chinese? Can you speak Korean? Hmm, I can. A little bit. Now, I hope that you feel like you can speak a little bit more fluently with this lesson. Now, I will see you for lesson number 4, which is all about answering simple questions, because we just learned how to blend asking a simple question, and now we need to learn how to blend answering simple questions. So I'll see you for lesson number 4. You're awesome, okay? Goodbye.